Hey guys, today I'll be going through this question for sum number 2. It's a medium LeetCode question. So we are given 4 tuples, can be different number. So yeah, something like this, and we want to find the sum of any of the combination of the sum that returns 0 as the answer. So if this thing plus this thing, this plus this plus this and this, okay, not this combination, but any of the combination that returns 0, okay, similar to this, we count it as 1. We have a counter, so there's a total of 2 combination that returns 0, so the output is 2. We want to initialize the variable counter and set it to 0. And what we want to do is get all the combination of A and B. Let's have a unordered map to store the combination. For this code, it's going to store the combination, all the possible combination, into the unordered map. And right now we proceed on to the so remember we store A plus B, and we want to check if the opposite exists. If it exists, we just want to add the count. Umap C plus D. Okay, it's actually this. And after we have the count, we want to return count. And that should be the answer. Yep. Okay, so for this, we store all the combination of A and B. And for this, we find all the combination of C and D that exists. If it exists here in the unordered map, then we add it to count. Yeah. So this is the most important part. Yeah, and the time complexity is going to be n squared. Yep, because we loop through 2 times and 2 times n squared. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, remember to subscribe. See ya.